At dahil malapit na ako makapag Mythical Glory, titignan ko kung mapapaabot ko ito ng Mythical Glory. First game Karina ang gamit ko. Tandaan nyo itong si Balmond, Terisla, at Edith ay makakalaban namin sila ulit sa next game at yung Chang'e at Johead makakasama din namin ulit. At ayun na nga, kalaban namin sila ulit at kakampi namin yung kakampi namin sa first game at ganito mga sumunod na nangyari sa part na game na ito, mahihirapan kami. Third game nakalaban naman namin yung dalawa kanina, si Johead at Chang'e, at Moskov naman ang gamit ko. Hindi kami nahirapan kasi malakas din yung mga nakasama namin. Fourth game trio naman kami dito, ay Cho naman ang gamit ko. Hindi din kami nahirapan kasi malakas ako. Joke lang, kasi malakas lang din mga nakakampi namin. Pang 5th game Moskov naman ulit ang gamit ko dito at ganito mga sumunod na nangyari.
Broken out the pieces I've been saving lately. Focused on the things that didn't make no sense. Guess that growing up was never meant to be easy. Yeah, I got used to doing everything sideways. Didn't really care about how anyone felt. Hiding my emotions down a different ashtray. Oh, but there's a lot to say gone. No, you can't just let go, 'cause it's a part of you that will make you.
At ayan na nga, naabot ko din ang mythical glory at shoutout din yung mga nakasama ko sa RG. Salamat din sa supportan nyo guys. God bless you all.
Yeah, I got bruises where I can't